A lack of water in Africa. Water's crucial role in accomplishing the continent's development goals is widely recognized. Africa faces endemic poverty, food insecurity, and pervasive underdevelopment, with almost all countries lacking the human, economic, and institutional capacities to effectively develop and manage their water resource sustainably. Thus, a large number of countries on the continent still face huge change in attempting to achieve the United Nations Water-related by Millennium Development Goals or MDGs. Northern Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa, even though in one continent, have made different levels of progress towards its Millennium Development Goal on water. North Africa has 92% coverage and is on track to meet its 90% target before 2015. However, Sub-Saharan Africa experiences a contrasting case with 40% of the 783 million people without access to an improved source of drinking water from the region. Sub-Saharan Africa is off track from meeting the MDGs on water with just 61% water coverage, and with the current peace cannot reach the 75% target set from the region. An analysis of data from 35 countries in sub-Saharan Africa represent 80% of the region's population, shows significant difference between the poorest and richest fifths of the population in both rural and urban areas. Over 90% of the richest quantity in urban areas using poor water source, and over 60% have piped water on premises. In rural areas, piping water is not existent. The poorest 40% of households and less than a half of population use any form to improve source of water. Many experts explain this issue like Africa is the farthest urbanized continent on the planet. They demand for water and sanitation is outstripping supply cities, by Joan Close, exclusive director of Unhabitat. And many cities and towns throughout Africa is struggling to meet basic urban infrastructure needs as clean water, waste management, disposal, and drain systems. By Elena Molina Valdez, director of UNICEF's Making Cities Resilient campaign. Africa faces a situation of economic water scarcity, and current institutional, financial, and human capacities for manage water are lacking. The situation is exacerbated by competition for public funding between sectors and heavy public debt burdens in most countries. In Africa, financing is insufficient, institutional capacity to absorb what is available is limited. The danger of splish to already made progress against the MDGs on water and sanitation is real. Most countries within the continent are falling short to sustain water sanitation and hygiene commits, with over 80% of countries reportedly falling significantly behind the trends required to meet their defined national access targets from sanitation and drinking water. There is insufficient to meet financial for wash overall, with a particular serious shortfall of sanitation.